journey just beginning, you are not alone. And you don't have to do it alone. Leaving home is never easy, but chasing a dream, starting fresh, that takes courage. Behind every smile is a story of struggle, strength, and new beginnings. Join me as we uncover the stories that matter. This is PGL Untold Stories.
Hello everyone, and welcome sa kauna-unahang episode ng PGL Untold Stories, isang espesyal na serye mula sa PGL Canadian Immigration Services. Ako po si Charmaine, ang inyong host para sa segment na ito. Sa bawat episode, kikilalanin natin ang mga taong dumaan sa iba't ibang hamon pero hindi sumuko at ngayon narito sila sa Canada. Handang ibahagi ang kanilang kwento upang maging inspirasyon sa iba. Para sa ating first episode, napaka-espesyal na panauhin ang ating makakasama. Ipinagmamalaki namin ipakilala sa inyo si Catherine na matagumpay niyang isa katuparan ng kanyang mga pangarap ngayon sa Canada. So, kasama ang kanyang pamilya ngayon dito sa Canada, maririnig natin lahat ang kanilang kwento. So, Miss Catherine or Miss Cathy, welcome and excited kami na marinig ang inyong kwento.
Hello! Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening kung sino man ang nanonood ngayon. Happy to be here, Miss Charmaine.
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, Miss Cathy.
Always
So let's proceed now to our first question.
Okay.
So, sabi nga nila lahat tayo may dahilan kung bakit tayo pumupunta dito sa Canada. Kasi I myself, I do have reasons, right? Pero para sa iba, depende yon. Parang para ba sa magandang career, para ba sa pamilya, para ba sa magandang buhay, para sa quality of life. So ikaw, Miss Cathy, paano napunta sa desisyon kayong pamilya na magpunta dito sa Canada? So would you mind sharing kung ano yung reason kung bakit kayo nandito ngayon sa Canada?
Well, actually, one of our main reason kaya kami nag-decide ng family ko to move in sa Canada is number one is the future of our son. So, malaking bagay na magkaroon siya ng malawak na opportunity, especially if makapasok siya sa Canada or maka-graduate siya for isa sa one of the university here in Canada. The opportunity is wider for him, and I'm very much confident na magkakaroon siya ng magandang future dito. That's one of the main reason why kami nandito sa Canada.
Yes, of course, I do understand because as a mom, lagi naman ang on top of our priority is yung mga kids natin, right?
Yes.
So, napakahalaga na may tamang guidance para sa pag-a-apply dito sa pagmamigrate sa Canada. So, paano mo nalaman yung tungkol sa PGL Canadian Immigration Services, by the way?
Actually, PGL was, I was informed about PGL because of one of my best friend na work also with the PGL. And yun nga, when I visited Canada 2019, I was looking for a job, but that's under visa, visitor's visa. Pero at that time, it was not it was not possible. Kaya when kasi ang hirap din ng LMIA during a visit visa that 2019. I came back 2019 sa Pilipinas, then though nagkaroon ako ng isang opportunity na nakausap na employer who will give me LMIA that time. But pagbalik ko talaga, it will be a very hassle process. Kasi it's a visit visa to work permit, hindi magiging madali para sa akin. So kinalimutan ko na actually talaga, sabi ko, probably it was not for me. I emailed PGL and saka isip ko lang why not? Baka sakali, if they call, that's good. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Baka hindi para sa akin. So, yun.
Kamusta naman yung naging proseso? Kamusta yung naging services namin? Kumbaga, I just wanna know kung kamusta yung buong experience mo with PGL?
From that time na nag-call sa akin si PGL, actually, my experience for PGL, very smooth sailing talaga. from that time na na-explain sa akin how it works, they're very transparent. Biniweigh nila yung things They will tell it to you if it's possible or not. And that's very important kasi sa client that you're not giving a false hope to the client. That's very important because you have the confidence na alam nila yung ginagawa nila. So that's one of the most important thing kung bakit ako nag-trust kay PGL, because the first time I had a meeting with them, they lay their cards, and I'm very happy kasi dun nagkaroon ako na, this is something, serious. Nakita ko na malinis, maayos, at saka organized. Yon.
Napakaganda naman ng mga salitang sinabi mo, Miss Catherine, and we are honored to hear, and of course we are very blessed na we are kasama kami dun sa naging journey ninyo sa pagpunta sa Canada. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I started as a temporary foreign worker. That's why I really know how temporary foreign worker feels.
Yeah.
From temporary foreign worker, transition to permanent residency, and now I am a Canadian citizen now. So, kumbaga, yun talaga yung naging panuntunan namin ni Sir Reg na nung tinayo namin yung PGL, it's not just going to be a business, but it's going to be a business that can help people to migrate, and mini-make sure namin na pinaparamdam namin sa kanila na naiintindihan namin every single step of the way, and we're always putting ourselves on our client's shoes. So that's why siguro kung maririnig din ng iba, same thing yung sasabihin. Of course, we cannot please everybody, but we are not perfect as well. We're not claiming that, but we are really trying our best to do to the best of our ability in each and every client. Kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto namin. And that is the reason why as well, now we are in our 5th year in Canadian immigration industry. So let's proceed now to the third question, Miss Cathy. So ngayon na nandito ka na sa Canada, ano yung pinakamalaking pinagbago ng buhay mo o ng family mo na masasabi mong worth it talaga lahat ng pinaghintay, lahat ng sinacrifice, at lahat ng pagsisikap ninyo?
Well, when we came here sa Canada, it's a very big move because ang adjustment is grabe, 360 degrees.
Of course.
Yes, so may mga routine na iba, and it's a diverse community. So you will meet a lot of people, iba-ibang nationality. But ang pinakamagandang nangyari dito is we really have a family time. So yun yung pinaka-importante na naramdaman ko dito when we moved here. We were able to spend more time with together as a family, at saka naging mas close kami sa isa't isa. Ang pinaka-importante is yung guidance namin sa anak namin na barkada na kami. Kami na yung magkakabarkada, which we never had in fact in the Philippines kasi nga due to very busy schedule. But here in Canada, yung family ties is yun ang the best na nakuha namin dito sa Canada. Yes, na-achieve. Yes.
Yun naman yung mahalaga, right? And I believe kasi here in Canada, kahit nasabihin natin na mahirap, lalo na ngayon, right? Aminin natin, mahirap ngayon ang sitwasyon nating lahat dito sa Canada dahil ng, of course, there's inflation and lahat ng aspect na makakaapekto sa living natin dito sa Canada is nararanasan din naman natin dito. But the thing is, kahit papano, nagkakaroon talaga ng work-life balance dito.
Yes,
of course, kumbaga, you yourself as a parent, lagi kang merong iniisip na, sige, trabaho ako ng trabaho, pero baka naman wala akong times para sa family ko, right? Pero dito talaga, hindi ko din alam kung bakit parang most of the family is talagang they're spending their Sundays with their family, and parang dito is nagiging normal yung you're bringing your kids to the park, na which is sa Philippines, siguro may mga gumagawa pa rin dun, pero dito kasi parang kung titingnan natin yung pagdala ng mga bata sa park, it's just very simple, right? Pero ako, kasi we do have our 4 years old, yun yung pinaka-youngest namin. And parang iba yung saya kapag ikaw yung kasama nila sa park, right?
Yes. Mas nagiging
Kaya-
hands-on ka sa kanila.
Of course, yeah. And we are very happy to hear that, Miss Cathy, that talagang maganda yung naging pinakatunguhan ng pagpunta niyo dito sa Canada. And this is one of the reason as well why we are reaching our clients. Because of course, at the end of the day, hindi kami yung tipong wala na kaming pakialam. After namin mabigay yung work permit, after nyo ma-PR, after nyo ma-citizen, you're good, right? So, we are really still trying our best to keep in touch with our clients from time to time. Kasi iba yung feeling na nararamdaman or nalalaman mo ba yung achievement ng clients mo. Kasi your achievement is our achievement. So, thank you for considering PGL, of course. And hindi ka nag-doubt sa amin from the beginning. So, moving forward to our next question, Miss Catherine. So, maraming nanonood ngayon na gustong makapunta dito sa Canada pero natatakot o hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula. So ano yung pwede mong masabi or ma-advise sa kanila now that you have experience being here in Canada for 2 years na ba, Miss Cathy?
2 years, almost 2 years ang bilis mo, Maine.
Yes, sobrang bilis,
Sobrang
diba?
bilis talaga, parang kailan lang yon. Well, yung mga tao na gustong makapunta dito sa Canada, go for it. Pakiramdaman nyo if it's in your heart talaga and you manifest it, you can achieve it talaga. Pinaka-importante is you always go back to why. Bakit? And if you have that strong reason kung bakit gusto nyo makapunta sa Canada, find the perfect partner like PGL who will help you with all the papers. Actually, they're not only helping as a client as sa papers they're helping you step by step how you will achieve the success na gusto nyong makuha dito sa Canada, which is the work permit or permanent residency. Nandyan sila always to guide you, not only to, prepare all the papers you needed for the immigration or for the application. The partnership with PGL is not only a business, but it's also more of a personal. That's a very important thing about their service. They have this personalized service. No? So if you want to go to Canada, go for it. It's a Canada dream, follow it. Kasi it's never too late. It's never too late lagi. So, yun lang, Ma'am Charmaine.
Thank you for that wonderful message sa mga viewers natin today. So, sabi nga ni Miss Cathy, go on. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Yes, medyo mahirap ngayon here in Canada. But, again, sabi nga niya, if you find a right partner, right? We're not saying it's just PGL. There's a lot of immigration consultancy firm out there that you can try out. It's up to you at the end of the day. Kayo yung magde-decide who will be your partner, right? Pero, and DIYs works, but not for everyone. Kasi you have to spend time, of course, researching, asking people para mabuo mo talaga yung application mo through DIY. So, thank you for that wonderful message and encouraging people or our viewers to still come to Canada. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, Miss Cathy, ang daming nawawalan ng pag-asa dahil sa hirap ng immigration.
Yes,
So,
madami talaga. But if you
Yes.
find the perfect partner, pray for it and always go for, reason why. Kaya-kaya yan.
Yes, tama ka naman doon, Miss Cathy. And sa panahon talagang napakahirap ng sitwasyon, palaging kailangan natin ng gabay, of course, ni Lord and ng mga taong willing tumulong, which is kami nga ni Sir Reg, yun talaga yung aming principles na makatulong talaga sa iba. Kasi mas nagiging happy kami pag nagiging successful din yung mga tao namin sa paligid, like our staff, our families, and of course, our clients, right? And sabi nga nila is, mahirap makatagpo ng perfect partner. Pero we are not perfect. We are trying our best to give our best as well to our clients. And then, para to sa mga tao na nag-i-inquire with PGL. So I hope you ngayon naiintindihan nyo na po kung bakit hindi agad-agad madalas nakakapag-reply si PGL. As Miss Cathy mentioned, personalized and tailored po kasi yung services na binibigay po namin.
That's true, yes.
So, ibig sabihin po,
pinapag-aralan nyo talaga lahat because every client has their own different profile. Kaya, that's mahirap talaga.
thank you for that input, Miss Catherine. Kasi yun yung gusto kong maging maintindihan nung iba. Kasi of course, they will gonna bug us messages, our platform na hindi po nagre-reply, ang tagal-tagal naman po. And then, talagang lumilipat or ibang consultancy firms sila nagpupunta, right? But the thing is, I just want you guys to understand that pinag-aaralan. Like for example, Miss Cathy's case, pinag-aralan po yang mabuti. And it takes time for us to take cases. Kasi hindi po namin basta-basta ginagawa yung mga application ng kliyente na parang it's just templated, copy-paste. Yes, there is a main way on how to apply your application like how it is on website. But the thing is, if you are dealing with Canadian Immigration Consultant or RCIC, they spend time to study your cases and of course with the help of the team. Kaya nagiging successful po yung aming mga kliyente and I believe wala talagang nagiging hindrance para magkaroon ng, yes, there will be challenges, but the thing is we are trying to make it smooth as possible. And thank you so much, Miss Cathy, for that inspiring kwento or story. So, mula sa pangarap hanggang sa realidad ngayon, hindi lang ikaw ang nakakamit ng Canadian Dream. Pero tumulong ka rin sa iba na gawin ang parehong journey through your story. So, I hope there's someone out there na na-inspire sa story mo. And muli, Miss Cathy, maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi ng iyong kwento at sa ating mga manonood. Sana ay makapagbigay ito ng inspirasyon at kaalaman para sa inyong pangsariling journey. So at dyan na po nagtatapos ang kauna-unahang episode ng PGL Untold Story, isang espesyal na serye kung saan tampok ang totoong kwento ng mga taong nagkalakas loob na tuparin ang kanilang Canadian Dream. Sa PGL Canadian Immigration Services, naniniwala kami na bawat kwento ng tagumpay ay nagsimula sa unang hakbang at nandito kami para gabayan kayo sa bawat yugto ng inyong journey. Kung kayo ay nangangarap ding makapunta dito sa Canada, huwag matakot magsimula. Kasama ninyo ang PGL, your expert guidance to your immigration success. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Thank you, Miss Cathy.
See you on the next episode.